How to activate Best Buy gift card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this episode I'll show you how to activate your Best Buy gift card online. So let's dive right in without any delay. First of all, open a web browser and visit bestbuy.com, the official Best Buy website. If you don't have an account, create one or log in by clicking on the account tab at the top right. Once logged in, browse for your desired items. For instance, I'm going to select this Apple MagSafe iPhone charger. Simply click on Add to Cart. And here again click on Go to Cart option. Now proceed to checkout, and before that, review your items, make any necessary changes and proceed to the payment. You can add your payment information including a credit card or a debit card, or redeem a Best Buy gift card by entering the 16-digit number and PIN. After you get into this page and input all the necessary details asked, click on Continue to Payment Information. And here in this section, you're supposed to enter your credit or debit card number, including your first name, last name, your address, city, zip code, and even you have to select your state. But if you want to use your Best Buy gift card, click on Use a Best Buy gift card, store credit or discount code. Click on this option. And in this designated area, you're supposed to enter your 16-digit number and PIN. After that, click on Apply to add the gift card balance. And if the gift card covers the full cost, click Place Order. Otherwise, select Additional Payment Methods and then click Place Order. That's how you can easily activate or redeem your Best Buy gift card. If you found this video to be helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you. See you in the next video.